Navigating the complexities of the professional world requires more than just expertise in your field. It demands the ability to form positive, constructive relationships with your coworkers. So without further ado, here are the 5 ways to form good relationships at work. 1. The art of active listening. In the fast-paced environment of today's workplaces, active listening is a rare but invaluable skill. When you engage in active listening, you not only make the other person feel valued, but also establish yourself as a trustworthy colleague. In doing so, you create a foundation on which stronger, more effective work relationships can be built. 2. More than just a meal. Inviting a coworker to share a meal is about more than just satisfying hunger. It's an opportunity for authentic connection, allowing you to get to know the person behind the job title. As you break bread, you not only build a bond but also nourish your spirit. The act of sharing a meal can subtly lift your soul, reminding you of the deeper connections that make life meaningful. 3. Synergy in action. Collaborative efforts often lead to results greater than the sum of individual contributions. By pooling your skills and resources with a coworker, you elevate the quality of your work while fostering a sense of community within your team. This can turn even the most challenging projects into rewarding experiences. 4. The ripple effect. The beauty of offering unsolicited help is that it creates a ripple effect. When you assist a colleague without expecting anything in return, you're setting a good example. This simple act often encourages a culture of generosity, making the workplace a more enjoyable and harmonious place for everyone. 5. The joy of acknowledgement. Taking the time to recognize and celebrate a colleague's achievements does wonders for team morale, but the benefits don't end there. Acknowledging the success of others is also a moment that can uplift your own spirit. It serves as a gentle reminder that joy shared is joy multiplied, enriching your work environment while subtly nourishing your soul. If you made it this far into the video, then I recommend you watch this next. Thank you so very much for watching.